Gusto mo ba ng plan na bibigyan ka ng 60,000 pesos every year for life?
Wow!
Yes, 60,000 every year until age 100. Siguradong secure na yung income mo sa insurance plan na to. Kung gusto mong malaman kung paano, pakinggan mo tong video na to. Actually, kaka-launch lang ng product nito noong October 2024. Isa to sa mga pinaka-favorite ko na insurance plan from Yellow Company. Paano naman kasi, B? Ang dami niyang benefits, isa-isahin natin. Una, at the end of the 6th year ng plan, hanggang 100 years old, may cash benefits kang matatanggap equivalent to 6% of your faced amount. Paano yun? Halimbawa, meron kang 1 million na faced amount, multiply natin by 6%. Ibig sabihin, meron ka na kagad 60,000 every year. Pwede mong gamitin ang cash benefits na ito pang travel, pang birthday, pang tuition, or madami pang iba. Plus, a yearly dividend na pwede mong makuha ng cash or let it accumulate kay Yellow Company to earn more or to get another protection. Wow, para kang may bonus every year. So, ibig sabihin, the longer you live, the more cash benefits you get to enjoy from this plan. Literal na passive income and para kang may reward for just living. Sino ba may ayaw nun, di ba? Entitled din ng plan na ito sa guaranteed cash values that you may borrow for emergency cash needs. Kasi minsan, kailangan mo din ng extra, di ba? Para sa mga biglaang gastos. At ang unique benefits ng plan na to, the Centenarian Bonus, which allows you to advance 25% from your life insurance at ages 80, 85, 90, 95. Parang early birthday gift mula kay Yellow Company. At dahil nga life insurance ito, guaranteed na ang life insurance coverage mo. Siyempre, ayun yung pinaka-importante, di ba? At hindi lang yun. Doble ng face amount yung makukuha yung life insurance coverage. So for example, 1 million ang face amount ng insurance mo. So magiging 2 million yung makukuha ng beneficiaries mo. Plus, you can enhance your benefits by adding riders or supplementary benefits that will provide additional protection in case of accidents, disabilities, and illnesses. Oh, wag mong isipin na mahihirapan ka sa pagbabayad ha. Pwede kang magbayad ng annual, semi-annual, quarterly, pati monthly. Yes, monthly payment is allowed through auto-debit or auto-charge after the initial premium has been settled. At ang pinaka-the best, nakadepende to sa budget and preference mo. You can choose between 3, 5, 10, or 15 years to pay. Imagine, tapos mo nang bayaran yung plan mo, pero lifetime benefits mong mapapakinabangan yung mga benefits na nabanggit ko. Ang saya nun, di ba? So kung interested ka sa plan na to at gusto mo ng personalized computation, click mo lang yung blue basket, lagay mo sa details secure income tsaka yung birthday mo, or message mo lang ako para masimulan na natin yung investment mo.